For students to be successful in a course, attendance is crucial. The traditional method of keeping track of student attendance involves having each student sign their name on attendance list. However, this method wastes time and raises there's of fraud. Sometimes the professor read aloud the names in order to prevent fraud. This approach will consume lecture time and reduce the lesson's efficacy.
The automated face recognition device is manufactured to enhance the daily life of both teachers and students. It is constructed to assist the dilemma of the time-consuming traditional and obsolete attendance checking. The product uses a camera and algorithm to detect the face of the students and register their attendance. This product is applicable to locations like door access and gateway. It is very easy to use and very well adapted to various lighting conditions, including strong light, weak light, and backlight.
This face recognition device is more efficient than other previous devices in terms of checking attendances, as it automatically inputs the data and records it directly to the Excel sheets.